Hello guys. This is Bongi from JPV. Anyway, we have a parcel. One guy from Umkomazi, he sent us two laptops. It's an HP and a Lenovo. The HP was not turning on, and the Lenovo it had a problem with a backlight. So in this video, guys, I will be doing the Lenovo with no backlight. You know why? Because backlights are simple. Okay, and what do I mean by backlight? It means the machine will turn on, will boot, everything will work perfectly fine, and if you connect an external monitor, you will get a display. Even on the internal display, you will get a display. It's just that you will have a dim display. It means you will need a phone, a flashlight to see the information. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see that rectangle thing in the middle there. The thing it says connect an external drive, if I'm not mistaken. The machine is turned on with no drive, so it's telling you to connect a drive, but there is no backlight, there's no light. Yeah, I'm sure you can see. If you can focus, you can see a whitish thing there in the middle there. So guys, as always, you have to remove the cover and go through the motherboard. Anyway guys, you shouldn't be afraid to fix the motherboard, and I always advise people to go ahead and give it a try, guys. It's not really that hard. It's a simple thing, to be quite honest with you. Okay, I have a flu anyway. Okay, so there I took out the motherboard. I had to remove everything one by one. Check out the board, and once you have taken out the board, you know what you do, right? First thing first, you do a physical inspection. It's so important, guys. Do a physical inspection. Go through the board, check everything one by one, see if you can see anything suspicious. Anyway, guys, the backlight is caused by a simple thing. Normally there's a fuse that blows up, of which in this case it's a fuse that blew up. It's a tiny fuse that blew up. I'll show it to you under the microscope. Okay, and this is what I think this machine was a 10 gen. As you can see there, it's FV1. F stand for fuse. I'm not sure about the V. I would say voltage. I'm not sure, but F definitely stands for fuse, and then V, I don't know. But if I have to guess, I would say it's voltages. I don't know. Fuse voltages. I don't know. But V, I'm not sure about the V. But that one there at the end, it's just the numbering, because you might have plenty of fuse. You might have maybe FV2, FV3, up to 100 or up to 1000. They can put any number, guys. It's just the numbering. But anyway, that fuse, guys, you can see it doesn't need to be checked. You can see it physically. It's that zero there in the make is broken. It means the fuse broke up. You can see it physically that the fuse broke up. You don't need any measuring, or you can physically see it. Okay, that's why physical inspection, it's so important, guys. Please, and I rely on physical inspection. I won't lie to you. There we go. It wasn't beeping. You take your multimeter, you put it into continuity mode, you touch both sides. If there's a beep, it's working. If there's no beep, then the fuse, it's not working. It's broken. It's not allowing power to pass from one side to another side, because that's exactly what fuse do, Okay, anyway, I had to find a replacement fuse, but first thing first, you have to take out the fuse. So there we go. I was using my hot air station. You can apply flags if you want to, but in this case it wasn't necessary. I normally apply flags when I remove the ICs, but big components like fuse I don't. But after putting back the fuse, you have to put the flags so that everything will be smooth. Guys, flags is very very important. You have to use flags. Don't be like me, okay? Yeah, yes, please always apply the flags. Guys, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed your holidays. On my side, it was hectic. I was in farm, Bergville, chasing cows, chasing goats. It was very 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 hectic. Anyway, I enjoyed it, and it was very very nice. I won't lie to you. Anyway, I'm back in Durban. As you can see, I'm doing motherboard repairs, guys. And thank you so much for the love and for the support. I saw in my first video, the guys were very happy to see me back. And guys, anyway, I love you so much. That's why I'm back. Okay, there we go. Instead of using the fuse, I used a resistor. I believe that wasn't a fuse as well. They used this was just a 0 ohm resistor. That's why there was a 0 there in the middle. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm using a 0 ohm resistor there. That's 000 still 0. 0 by 100 is still 0, guys. It doesn't matter how many zeros you have, it's still 0. So I'm using a 0 ohm resistor, and the way using a resistor, I guarantee you on that one, the way using a resistor is 0 ohm resistor. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm using what? A 0 ohm resistor, guys. And then and anyway, I was done. I had to put back everything step by step, and there we go. The fuse was just attached there proper, and I have to check it first before putting back everything. And I did check the fuse, and there was a continuity, not a fuse, a resistor I mean, and there was a continuity, but I'm gonna call it a fuse because it's doing the same application as the fuse, so I would call it what? A fuse. And there was what? A continuity, guys. And I was so happy and so sentient. So I had to put back everything, assemble the entire machine, put back all the screws, put back everything, and then after that, test the machine. Okay, anyway, I have to test the machine, and then I have to turn it on, and what do you know, we have the backlight. As you can see, there is a backlight, and you can see some writing there on the screen. And guys, the machine is working. There is a backlight. Backlights are easy and easy to fix. Anyway, I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.